Hey class. So for today, just I want to very quickly show you how to use one of my favorite research databases to use with high schoolers. It's called Opposing Viewpoints in Context. And this is a database that the Jefferson County Public Library and a lot of public libraries buy that you can use your library card to access. It's one of the benefits of public libraries that they give us access to credible information. And that's really the benefit to using this kind of research database. So just real quick, we're going to copy that card number and open it up. I already signed in. It will ask that you sign in with the card number. Here, why don't we click on something? So what I like about this is the first page. It's simple. It's whatevs. You can search in here, but I wouldn't. What I would recommend doing is, especially if you're new to kind of like, if you're not exactly sure what you're looking for, basically, I like to go down here to the browse issues, and you'll see that these kind of tiles are like topic headers, right? So ethics, hey, we're talking about some ethics stuff today. So, oh, here are a ton of different ethical crises or things that touch on different ethics. One thing that's interesting is I'm going to click on the millennial generation because I'm selfish and I keep getting told millennials are selfish. I'm going to add the word, I'm curious about ethics and millennials. Oh, that's interesting. It's an article on education for the millennial generation. Huh. So some tools I like here, you can click here to have it read to you. You can increase the font size to something unreasonable. You can decrease it to something unreasonable. You can translate it if that you're into that. You can also, this is what I recommend doing. You can email the articles to yourself so that you don't lose them. You can, oh, this button here, if you click it, you can get the MLA APA Chicago citation for them. That'll work. That's, you know, I like them for this. They also give you like, so a lot of them will give you kind of commentary. So they'll give you also some comprehension questions where if you're doing okay, you'll be able to follow it. You can also add notes. So this is a solid resource to use. One other thing I like is at the bottom, they give you other things to search for down here in the books. And you can just search for the title of a book and look for that. Anyway, that's how to use opposing viewpoints in context. There's also, oh shoot, I almost forgot one more thing. If you click on millennial generation and you're on that like topic page, you click here, read more for an overview. Oh, I love that bit. And if you click over here, you can search within the results like I did before. That's a really good way to kind of look for things. If you click on articles as well, you'll see related subjects and more like this. That's going to be helpful. Now, those are the things that I wanted you to know. Cool. Good luck, guys. That's how to use opposing viewpoints in context, how to log in, and how to kind of search for stuff. Go for it.